Shalom! In today's video, we'll be learning about opposite words in Hebrew. One of the best ways to memorize vocabulary is through opposites, and that's exactly what we'll be doing today. Please note that while the adjectives can have male and female forms, for the purpose of this video, we will be covering only the male form. So, without further ado, בואו נתחיל. Let's begin. The word for big is גדול. 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 The word for small is קטן. 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 The word for tall is גבוה. 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 The word for short is נמוך. 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 The word for fast is מהיר. 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 The word for slow is איטי. 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 The word for hot is חם. 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 The word for cold is קר. 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 The word for light, as in a light color, is בהיר. 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 The word for dark is כהה. 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 The word for heavy is כבד. 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 The word for light, as in not heavy, is קל. 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 The word for old, as in an old person, is זקן. 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 And the word for young is צעיר. 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 The word for thick is עבה. 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 The word for thin is דק. 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 The word for wide is רחב. 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 The word for narrow is צר. 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 The word for long is ארוך. 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 The word for short, as in not long, is קצר. 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 The word for hard, as in hard material, is קשה. 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 And the word for soft is רך. 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 The word for loud is רועש. 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 The word for quiet is שקט. 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 The word for low is נמוך. 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 And the word for high, as in not low, is גבוה. 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 The word for strong is חזק. 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 The word for weak is חלש. 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 The word for full is מלא. 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 The word for empty is ריק. 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 The word for happy is שמח. 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 The word for sad is עצוב. 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 The word for up is למעלה. 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 The word for down is למטה. 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 The word for open is פתוח. 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 The word for closed is סגור. 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 The word for clean is נקי. 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 The word for dirty is מלוכלך. 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 The word for wet is רטוב. 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 The word for dry is יבש. 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 The word for smooth is חלק. 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 The word for rough, as in not smooth, is מחוספס. 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 The word for positive is חיובי. 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 The word for negative is שלילי. 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 The word for day is יום. 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 The word for night is לילה. 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 The word for in is בפנים. 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 The word for out is בחוץ. 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 The word for healthy is בריא. 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 The word for sick is חולה. 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 The word for safe is בטוח. 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 The word for dangerous is מסוכן. 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 The word for far is רחוק. 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 The word for close is קרוב. 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 The word for above is מעל. 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 The word for below is מתחת. 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 The word for a beginning is התחלה. 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 The word for an end is סוף. 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 The word for deep, as in deep water, is עמוק. 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 The word for shallow is רדוד. 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 The word for early is מוקדם. 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 The word for late is מאוחר. 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 The word for an entrance is כניסה. 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 The word for an exit is יציאה. 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 The word for forward is קדימה. 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 The word for backward is אחורה. 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 The word for right is ימין. 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 The word for left is שמאל. 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 The word for easy is קל. 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 The word for hard is קשה. 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 Let me know in the comments below if there are specific topics that you would like to learn about. And if you like this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos. For now, תודה שצפיתם. Thank you for watching and להתראות. Goodbye.